Hello everyone, this is Nick Rondinelli, CEO of Heart to Heart First Aid and CPR Services. This video tutorial is to show you how to access your online certificate. If you just finished a course, you should have received a temporary certificate from your instructor that is valid for 30 days. You will receive the official certification by email from the Red Cross that allows you to create an account or profile in order to view your online certification. As well, you will have access to all of your first aid manuals. Getting this email from the Red Cross may take several business days. Once you receive your email from the Red Cross, first, open the email and click on Invitation Link. It will then take you to the Red Cross website where it will ask you to create an account. Click on Sign Up Now and enter your email address. We strongly recommend not signing in with a social media account. It is best to use your individual email address that you provided your instructor. You will then create a password. The password needs to be between 8 to 16 characters, and at least one character has to be an uppercase letter, one digit from 0 to 9, and at least one symbol such as hashtag or $. Enter your password again and click on Create. You will then be directed to your account. Next, fill in all the required fields with your personal information. You can also amend or edit your name if there are any spelling mistakes. Once you have done this, you now officially have your very own Red Cross account. This account allows you to access your online certification, view or download your first aid and CPR manuals, and it will even allow you to have access to the comprehensive first aid manual that is over 250 pages. I highly recommend reading this manual. All right, now to view your certificate, click on My Profile, click on My Certificates from the drop-down menu. And there you have it, folks. An easy, online, ready-to-be accessed account where you will be able to print copies of your certificate or read and review your first aid manuals to freshen up on your first aid skills. If you did not receive your email from the Red Cross within 10 business days following your course, or if you have any problems viewing your certificate after creating your account, please contact the office, Heart to Heart, directly by calling us at 1-866-260-2790 or by email at register@heart2heartcpr.com. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial on how to access your Red Cross certificate.